Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to change Samsung emojis to iPhone style emojis on your Android device in 2025. So let's dive right in. First of all, you have to open settings on your phone, on your Android. You will see a logo like this one. You'll see a logo like this or something similar like this. Then you have to scroll down to about phone option. You will see an option called about phone. Then you have to tap onto it and tap software information. Make sure your Samsung phone is running on the latest Android version. To install custom files, you need permission to install apps for unknown sources. You have to go to settings again, then you have to tap onto apps and tap onto special access. Then you have to tap install unknown apps, enable it for your browser or file manager like Chrome or Files by Google. Then you have to download iPhone emoji font. Open your browser, search for reliable iPhone emoji font file. Then you have to download the .ttf or .zip font file to your device. Now install a font installer app on your phone from the Google Play Store and then apply iPhone emoji font from there. So after completing all the steps, you have to restart your phone, then test your new emojis, and that's it. Now you're rocking iPhone style emojis on your Samsung device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below with any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.